To transfer cryptocurrency from a Ledger Nano X to a Coinspot account, start by opening the Ledger Live app and website. Then click on Accounts. From this screen, select the cryptocurrency you want to transfer, in this case, XRP. Click on the Send button at the top of the screen, which will open a new window. In this window, you need to paste the wallet address from your Coinspot account. To find the wallet address, open the Coinspot app. Click on the Coins option at the bottom of the screen and search for the cryptocurrency you are transferring, in this case, XRP. Select XRP. Then click on the Wallet option and find the Receive button at the bottom of the screen. Click on it. Select the cryptocurrency you are using, XRP, and click on Generate Deposit Address. You will then be able to copy the wallet address. Go back to the Ledger Live app and paste the wallet address. And also copy and paste the Memo or Tag option if provided. If no tag or memo is provided, you can leave this section blank. Click Continue. Enter the amount you want to transfer, and click Continue again. Confirm the details, making sure the wallet address and amount are correct, and click Continue. Finally, confirm the action on your Ledger Nano X device by pressing the required buttons, and the cryptocurrency will be transferred from your Ledger Nano X to your Coinspot account.